Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design and food design thinking. Today I want to talk about, I want to do this very short video about something that is exploding all over the news. We have seen it in various newspapers or newspapers website nowadays, and it's going all over the place. So I want to talk to you about this amazing thing that is happening. Coke is launching an alcoholic drink in Japan. We see this in the CNN Money and the Financial Times, for example, and also the Telegraphs. So this is the news. Coca Cola is breaking a 130 years old tradition with the first alcoholic drink. So, right, you might be thinking, wow, Coca Cola has always been about soft drinks. It's always been about soda drinks specifically. So look at how Coca-Cola is innovating, right? Launching this first alcoholic drink. Right, okay, so let me tell you why this is not innovation. And I'm not even going to tell you with my own words, I'm going to use the words of this article here, for example. The company is currently experimenting with the creation of a popular type of Japanese alcohol pop known as shu-ju, containing distilled shu-ju alcohol mixed with flavored carbonated water. And here is where it gets better. The low-alcohol canned drink will be launched in Japan, home to a thriving, if competitive industry, with countless shu-ju-flavored drinks, from kiwi to yuzu, sitting on convenience store shelves across the country. This is why this is not innovation. Basically, what Coca-Cola is doing is putting her own product within a whole bunch of similar products. It's not radical innovation for sure. I'm not even sure if it is incremental innovation, because they are just filling what they think is a gap in their own brand. Them too, they are making a product that many other companies are already doing. So in my opinion, this is not innovation. I don't know why we're talking about this so much. Do you remember Red Bull Cola? If you're saying no, it's because, right, was it successful? It was alright, I guess. I guess they've sold some, but it hasn't gone even close to the success that Red Bull itself, the original Red Bull, has had. Why? Because Red Bull Cola is a drink from Red Bull that is trying to copy another drink. Cola, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or whatever. So see, it doesn't really work that well. It's not really, nothing is happening in the world of food design, we can say, of relevance when somebody is just copying someone else, or when somebody is appropriating a concept and including it into their own brand. What I want to say about Coca-Cola is that this is not innovation. I don't think this is innovation. There's nothing important happening in the world of food design with Coca-Cola doing this. But there was a time when Coca-Cola, I think, was actually thriving with regards to innovation. There was a time when I used to take their examples and really show them to my students and to various talks that I gave here and there. There was a time when Coca-Cola was really innovating, and I want to show you a couple of examples. Let's see this video, for example. My friend, skip forward. My friend, I will love you till the end. And I will show you everything I have to show. I'll be my woman, my money. When you call me, I'll be there. So what have they done here? They've taken a normal size vending machine and they've actually doubled it. So in order to put the coin to get the Coca-Cola, you would have to have a friend lifting you up, or a couple of friends lifting you up, so that you could reach the place where to put your coins. So this is genius, because let's say, I want to show you this again. Why did this work so much? And let's see the numbers which they give us. They've sold 1,055% more Cokes than with regular vending machines, right? These are big numbers. These are important numbers. And there have been thousands of comments on blogs and social networks throughout the world. So if I remember correctly, they've only put 9 of these vending machines somewhere around the world. But because of the internet, even if they make only 9 of these vending machines and they put them here and there around the world, or around the United States, whatever, the whole world is going to talk about them. And let me show you another example, probably even better this one.
The relationship between India and Pakistan is one that has seen a lot of lows.
It's stressful, it's tense. It seems it's not improving and it's getting worse.
It's only been 60 years that we have been apart. Before that, we were living harmoniously together.
It saddens me that we have this neighbor that we can't even go visit.
Mainly because there's no communication. They're near us, but we have no access to them. And it's sad, because together I think we would do wonders.
So what they've done was creating 2 vending machines, and they've put one in India and one in Pakistan. These 2 vending machines connect to one another. In order to get the drink, people from the 2 countries have to do something together, like trace the peace sign together, or make a dance together, or take a selfie. These 2 vending machines are connecting people from different countries.
The whole idea of actually touching hands, it's like communicating with each other without words, and that action speaks louder than anything else.
This is what we're supposed to do, right? We are going to take minor steps so that we are going to solve bigger issues.
We're going to take minor steps in order to solve bigger issues. This vending machine, and I don't think they have put many out there. I think they've put just these 2, actually. But just these 2 vending machines have had a tremendous power all over the media. So even if the amount of people who actually experience the vending machine itself is not very big, probably 100 people or a bit more, I don't know, still everybody, because of the power of the internet and social media, is talking about Coca-Cola. So this example is from 2013, and the friendship vending machine is from 2011. This is the time when Coca-Cola was really innovating, in my opinion. They were bringing people together. They were creating experiences. They were creating moments of joy, of happiness, of exchange. They were not just making new products. They were taking the same product and just use the product to make people experience a certain thing, to make people think about a certain thing. I think this is way more innovative than just making a new product, or actually making a product that everybody else is already making. I can understand that Coca-Cola is trying to broaden their market and creating new products to make more money, to increase their sales. But I think that if you don't have a really innovative product, while you design to reach that really innovative product, to create that really innovative product, you could, for example, instead of just throwing out random products that the market has already seen and that have zero innovation in them, you could keep the product that you already have and use those products to strengthen your brand image, while at the same time increasing sales, making more money with those products that you already have. And this is exactly what food design thinking can help you to do. I believe that a food design thinking process leads you to innovative, meaningful solutions. And this might be very similar to what Coca-Cola was doing with the friendship machine and the other example that I've showed you. I guess that what I'm saying is that Mr. James Quincy, a CEO of Coca Cola, if you are looking to go towards real innovation, just give me a call and I'll come in and I'll show you my food design thinking methodology, which you can use to come up with real innovative stuff. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in food design thinking, just visit fooddesignThinking.org, where you'll find my videos and my courses and everything that is happening with regards to that. And where, of course, you will find my email to just Mr. Quincy, give me a call and I'll come in and do a consultation for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.